There are thousands of WordPress plugins available that can be used to add functionality to your website. Here are some popular plugins that are commonly used. 1. Yoast SEO helps optimize your website for search engines. 2. Contact Form 7 enables creation and management of contact forms. 3. Jetpack provides a variety of features, including site security, backup and restore, and site performance optimization. 4. WooCommerce adds e-commerce functionality to your website. 5. WP Forms enables the creation and management of customizable forms on your website. 6. W3 Total Cache optimizes website speed and performance through caching. 7. Elementor, a page builder plugin that allows the creation of custom page layouts and designs. 8. Akismet protects your website from spam comments. 9. Smush optimizes images on your website to improve page load times. 10. WordFence Security provides advanced security features to protect your website from hacks and malware. There are many other plugins available, depending on the needs of your website. It's important to carefully consider the functionality and compatibility of each plugin before installing it on your website.